I think I'm at the right place now. See what pretty photos we can get. Oh, I do like these trees though. I do like these trees.
Female, great big.
Yeah. You can get really close. They don't.
No, don't.
They don't seem to mind.
No, you go and stroke them, I think, but I wouldn't bother.
I was about to, but I didn't know. Oh, munching away.
Yeah, yeah, they roam all round, all across. Got a nice area to feed.
Oh. Take a photo of this bench. Looks like it's just a chunk of tree. That's nice.
Going all the way up.
Don't know where I'll end up.
Bentley Priory, quite a few shot there.
Yeah?
You know, right up and round, follow the path. Behind Bentley Priory.
I haven't been here for a while, I don't think. I'm just going to explore and see where it takes me.
You right over to Harrow. You know, it's got a big.
Thank you.
High up.
I'll see where I end up. Do you mind if I take a photo of you just like with this background? Is that okay? It's not going to go anywhere. It just looks really nice with the background. Cool. One more. A bit wider out. Cool.
Are you doing a project, are you?
I'm just learning about photography, really.
Oh, right.
It's nice.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Take it easy, yeah? Got some really good ones. See, sometimes you've just gotta ask to get some nice pictures. I like the framing on this.
Well, we walked over.
What these two guys would be. Oh my god, you can go inside. Well, I think we know what this area gets used for. Right, I'm going to go back out, switch the battery up, because apparently it won't charge. We'll see what photos we can do now. a really out of place orange CCTV here. What is that? I had to reach over the fence to get that one. Oh, this bridge is quite nice. Not really a bridge. Well, it is a bridge, I guess. Framing on that was really nice. Take some more photos of these cows. See if we can get that helicopter up there. On a 56, it might be a bit far away, but there you go. I'm gonna take some more photos of these cows because they're so cute. Oh, it's looking right at me. Hello. Go. See if we can get his tongue coming out. Oh, he's coming towards me. Hello. Take a photo so we know where we are. Oh, I think we're gonna call it a day there. Met some cute cows. Gonna edit these photos up when I get home, and hopefully it turns out pretty well. This is my first time doing something like this. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video.